Hello and welcome to another exclusive review with me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 6.1 million minutes viewed on YouTube. This week we focus on Wicked Vicky's Tavern at the Riviera Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. Wicked Vicky's Tavern offers an extensive craft beer selection. They have a breakfast menu, all-day menu and late-night menu to entice you after one of their many shows at the theatre. I was very impressed by this authentic atmosphere and their standard of food. They have nearly 15 unique beers on their menu and endless bottled beers too. It's really an impressive selection. Located next to the theatre at the Riviera Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Wicked Vicky Tavern is perfect for lunch or pre- or post-show feast. The tavern is unpretentious and very relaxed and informal. The service is excellent. With an enormous screen for sports, you'll always be entertained. The late-night menu runs until midnight and offers great value salads, burgers and chicken. To begin, I love the Wicked Vicky Tavern greens and the Caesar salad as well. Really fresh and crisp, and the dressing was perfect as well. You can't go wrong with calamari. It's perfect for sharing. These size portions are quite big. Try the daily soup. Today, tomato and basil was just $4 per cup. Also, the popcorn shrimp was incredibly Moorish, with the pretzel being very popular around the table. It comes with a mustard dip. Next, there are several options of chicken, including chicken wings and chicken fingers. Always fun to have with a beer. All of these items are great value for money, coming in at less than $9 each. Finally, the burgers are incredibly impressive and perfectly cooked. The burgers were meaty, juicy and incredibly tender. You have several options to go with your burger. You can go with a classic burger. That's lettuce, tomato, red onion and cheddar. The barbecue burger, my favourite, with applewood bacon and barbecue sauce. And there's a crispy chicken sandwich as well with Swiss honey mustard, Texas slaw and brioche bun. All excellent standard burgers. Don't miss the Wicked Vicky Tavern at Riviera Hotel and Casino. It was fun-friendly and well run. This restaurant was incredibly great value as well, so rare in Las Vegas, with freshly cooked and to order wholesome food. Bravo Vicky. It's located on the casino floor. Wicked Vicky's Tavern is open 7 days a week, Monday to Thursday from 8 a.m, Friday from 8 a.m. to 2 a.m, Saturday from 7 a.m. through 2 a.m, and Sunday from 7 a.m. through midnight. This review was by me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 6 million minutes viewed. Don't miss Wicked Vicky Tavern at Riviera, Las Vegas. Come back soon for more exclusive interviews and reviews. Ta-da!